All right, guys, check me out. So the contractors are done pretty much in here, putting up the drywall, and some of the other stuff has been primed and is ready for paint now. So right now I'm ready to do the Galaxy ceiling, and that's where the projector and screen are going to go for the showroom here. So check it out. Let me show you. These fibers get poked through the ceiling. You can see there's several of them, right? They poke through the ceiling, and then you have to spray. You have to spray the ceiling with the air gun.
Audio and video, surveillance and Wi-Fi too, and much more for you. Satisfaction guaranteed. For all your installation needs, just Google Sandman HD. Just Google Sandman HD.
Installation and support services straight from the gods since 2004. When asked, past customers fancied us trustworthy, knowledgeable, and tenacious.
Google Sandman HD.
All right, so now we finally got the white and the dark gray cut. So now we got the fibers here for the Galaxy ceiling, right? But when you cut them, they're all rickety and they're rough on the edges. So I like to file mine down. Now we got stars. You got any color you want. Blue, green, red, whatever. And this particular set twinkles if you want that too.